Hello and welcome, guys, and welcome to yet another vlog. And yes, exams are around the corner, and I know what you are thinking about. Guys, CFR is one of the lengthiest subjects which you have in Group 4, and CFR is definitely difficult to tackle considering that it has been revised in the recent past by the Institute several times. Nonetheless, now Ind AS have finally been introduced in your examination pattern, and I have the king of finance CFR, the king of financial reporting for CMA final, Abhishek Kaushik sir, who teaches exclusively to CMA final students. Sir, welcome to our channel and thanks for taking out time for our students.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
सो सर, आपसे अब जो क्वेश्चन है इट्स प्रिटी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. नाउ ऑल आर सब्सक्राइबर्स आर वांटिंग टू नो. There are only 15 days left with us, sir. Only 20 days left.
Yes.
Now, sir, which Ind AS, which accounting standards, which chapters do you think should be of key importance right now? We should practice only those chapters and it will more or less suffice. Of course, in professional examination, we cannot be sure of which chapter comes in the examination. That goes unsaid. But still, according to you, as per your experience, what do you think will be weightage of which chapters will be of prime importance in December 2019 attempt?
मेरे हिसाब से अगर बात करें तो मैंने कुछ एक छोटी सी स्ट्रेटेजी बनाई है लास्ट 10-15 डेज में रिवाइज करने के लिए. स्टूडेंट को सबसे पहले रिवाइज करना चाहिए बिजनेस कॉम्बिनेशन का चैप्टर. दैट कवर्स टू टॉपिक्स.
Right.
फर्स्ट वन इज होल्डिंग एंड देन अनदर वन इज बिजनेस कॉम्बिनेशन दैट अर्लियर नोन एज amalgamation.
Right.
So that will cover 30% weightage of this CFR paper. Next, they should move to valuation of goodwill, and along with that, share-based payment. So these four chapter will cover 50 marks, short 50 marks. And those who have not taken the coaching, so they must refer the study module, and they must practice each and every concept along with the illustrations of the study module. They must mug up, even they cannot understand. So that is the key strategy. You must go through the 4 chapters first.
Right.
Holding, then amalgamation, then come to goodwill, and then share-based payment. After that, those who can mug up theory, they are champion of cramming the theory. They can go for government accounting. So
Right,
it will be a safe chapter.
Right,
It will
right.
fetch around 15 marks.
Right.
Obviously, a student cannot write verbatim what is written in the book.
Right.
So at least they can secure 10 to 12 marks.
Right,
So
right.
that's better idea to go through business apart from business combination and amalgamation to government accounting.
Perfect.
So these are 4 chapters. They will secure 50 marks.
Perfect.
At least they will come up to the level.
Right.
So by just covering 4 chapters.
Perfect.
And
Sir, one more question which all the students are asking me all the time. Since I am not expert in CFR, so I am unable to answer this question. Sir, Ind AS have been introduced for the first time full-fledgedly in our CFR syllabus, will be applicable in December 2019. So according to you, which are those key Ind ASs which will hold importance in our December 19 attempt and which will be really beneficial? We should at least not leave them. We should study all of them, but at least not leave those.
the student, it's a vast area which you are asking. INDAS, no one can be expert of INDAS.
Right.
That is too lengthy. It's an ocean.
Right.
So for a student, my advice will be that they should refer only and only study material.
Right.
What content is written in the study module, they must go through it. And they must divide INDS into 2 parts. First, priority should be on the following accounting standard I have written on a paper.
Right.
And then they should revise 107, 109, 32. These are INDS on financial instruments. I'm sure that one question must be asked on these 3 accounting standards. May not be practical, but should be asked as a theory question. Next, they can revise INDAS 17, lease, 23 borrowings, 28 investment in JB associate. I'm sure that question will be asked on this accounting standard, INDS 28. They should not leave this accounting standard at any cost. Next, INDAS 36, impairment, share-based payment. There are 2-3 topics of theory in study module, so they must go through that. Next, if they have again time, then they can revise 19 employee benefit, revenue, INDS 12 on income tax, IFRS 1 first time adoption, etc. But first priority should be on these INDS only.
Perfect.
So rest,
Perfect,
if
sir.
they have time, then they
Then
can
they
go
should
through.
go through. Absolutely.
Otherwise, my last strategy will be they should cover 5 topics:
Right.
amalgamation, holding,
Huh.
next share-based payment, and goodwill valuation, and
Right.
government
Government
accounting.
accounting.
It will surely they will score above 60. So if they can mug up or understand, or they can prepare all these 5
Whatever they
chapters,
can
whatsoever they can do, they must do on these 5 chapters.
Perfect. So, guys, this was the strategy which was propounded by Abhishek sir, and I'm sure by following this strategy, you will be able to attain good marks in your CFR exam also. Guys, first and foremost strategy which I suggest to all of you is do not quit. I know course is lengthy, I know course is vast, I know time is very less, but do not quit. Struggle till your last breath, struggle till your last day, and definitely you will attain success in your examination. And smart work, as Abhishek sir has suggested, doing certain selective topics will really be beneficial for you in CFR Group 4. On that positive note, here's wishing all the students all the very best and
All the rest.
happy studying. For latest updates and information on entire CMA profession, just subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification on the latest videos which are being uploaded on the channel. For products related to paper number 19, paper number 20 for final students, and paper number 12 for intermediate students, log on to www.agrawallawhouse.com. It contains the compilation of handwritten notes, books, reference materials, and video lectures of these 3 subjects. If you have any further query or you want to speak to me personally for any kind of counseling, you can call me at the number given on the screen.